The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are just a few months away, and naturally, many are wondering what's new this time around. Is it going to be a big enough increase over the 16 Pro series, or will it be more of the same under a different name? Let's look at what you can truly anticipate and if it's worth waiting a little longer before upgrading. First and foremost, we'll be receiving a new design. The camera arrangement on the rear is changing. Instead of the present triangular configuration, everything is being moved to a sleek horizontal bar. It provides the phone a more contemporary, uniform appearance, distinguishing it from the 15 and 16 series at a glance. Apple is also changing up the materials this year. Instead of complete titanium like we saw last time, it seems that the frame will be a combination of titanium and aluminum. It has a two-tone feeling, which may make the phone seem lighter while maintaining its quality, robust feel. Now, let's speak about camera enhancements, and there is a big one. The telephoto lens is increasing its resolution from 12 to 48 megapixels. That's a significant increase, particularly for zoom pictures. Whether you're photographing animals at a distance or zooming in on concert stages, the difference in sharpness should be significant. And for the first time, iPhone will support 8K video. It has taken a long time, but it will finally happen this year. Frame rates are yet to be announced, but having the choice is a big victory for content makers. They're also making the dynamic island smaller this time. It's not going away, but it's being reduced, resulting in more screen area and a little cleaner top border. It is a little alteration, but it adds up. The 17 Pro versions will include the new A19 Pro processor, which is built on TSMC's latest Gen 3 nanometers technology. Expect improved performance, battery life, and thermal efficiency. Apple is beginning to bring more of those wireless components in-house. They are currently building their own Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and 5G components, similar to what they accomplished with the C1 chip in the 16th. This should increase speed, reliability, and power efficiency. Finally, after years of waiting, Apple has increased RAM to 12 GB on the Pro versions. It's a subtle but significant shift, particularly for multitasking and powering new Apple Intelligence capabilities. This brings it in line with top-tier Android flagships. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.